In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off camera by default when joining a meeting on Zoom. This is perfect if you want to protect your privacy, prevent accidental video, or simply prefer to join meetings quietly and turn your camera on only when you're ready. Start by opening the Zoom app on your device. I'll walk you through the desktop app on Windows or Mac, since that's where this setting is most commonly used. Make sure you're signed in so all settings are available to you. If the app asks to update, go ahead and do that first to ensure you see the latest options. Once Zoom is open, click your profile picture in the top right corner of the home screen. From that menu, select the gear icon to open settings. If you don't see your profile picture, look for the small gear on the main screen. That opens the same settings panel. In the Settings window, choose the Video tab on the left side. This is where Zoom gathers everything related to your camera. You'll see a live preview and options like camera selection and video mirroring, but we're going one level deeper for the join behavior. Within the video settings, find the section labeled Meetings and Webinar. Depending on your app version, it might appear as a subsection of video or as an area within the same panel. This section controls how your video behaves when you enter meetings and webinars. Now, look for the option that says Keep my camera off. Turn this setting on so your camera stays off by default whenever you join a meeting or webinar. In some versions, this might appear as Turn off my video when joining meeting or a similar phrase. The key is that the switch or checkbox should be enabled, indicating your video won't automatically turn on when you join. A quick tip: after enabling this, you can test it by starting a new meeting or joining a test call. You should see that your video is off by default, and you'll always have the option to turn it on manually once you're comfortable. Remember that this setting applies to the device you're using, so if you use Zoom on multiple computers, set it on each one. If you don't see the option, make sure your Zoom app is updated to the latest version. That's it. Your camera will now stay off when you join meetings, giving you a little extra control and peace of mind every time you connect.